Let's go, Throp! Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got back to Brooklyn from Manhattan. Got a massage earlier. We are 3 days out to the Brooklyn Marathon. I should say the Brooklyn Half. And now I'm just heading over to the big pickup area. Call it the Brooklyn Half pre-party. Gonna grab my bib real quick and check out the Race Expo. I really enjoy these things. Kind of a big part of why I do this. Take it as it comes. Where are we going here? Still trying to find this place. Hope for the best, pretty much. So I'll take you guys around the Race Expo in a few minutes. Just trying to navigate my way over there. Getting a little lost. Let's figure this out. All right, I think I found it. I found the direction that we're supposed to be going in. Oh, look at that, Brooklyn Bridge right there. All right, just finished picking up my bib here at the pre-party that they have for the Brooklyn Half. Pretty cool setup that they got here, right on the water, overlooking the city. Can't beat that. Really beautiful day as well. Not a lot of people here. We're like right in the middle of the workday, so it's just for people, I guess, who are visitors, who don't have jobs or whatever, myself included, and it's pretty empty, so it was pretty 1, 2, 3 in and out. Not really gonna be hanging out too much. I don't know how people are drinking beer a few days before the race. I can't do that. But pretty cool. They have a nice setup. They have a DJ. They have a bunch of little games that you can play as well. And kind of a cool little expo that they have for a half marathon. This is the best expo that I've seen for a half marathon anywhere that I've had a half marathon, to be honest. And this is the biggest half marathon in America, I believe, if not North America, in terms of the amount of participants. So I'm gonna end it right there and go get some food, rest up the next few days. Brooklyn Half Race Expo 2019 over, at least for me. Came in on the first day, came in nice and early, in and out, and got my bib and ready to do this, ready to do damage. See you guys later.
For Oyster Bay Expressway and against the westbound Parkway on Long Island, crash eastbound, that's between
Vincent Cano didn't hustle out a double play in the 7th. He told Callaway that he's 7 strokes going to round 3. Giannis Antetokounmpo, 30.17 rebounds.
All in all, it's about 5:55 in the morning, Saturday, I believe the 18th of May. That's right, got the Brooklyn Half today, and it's gonna be an exciting day. I'm trying to do something pretty special. I'm trying to break 117, so anything 116 I'm good with. So I have my friends, my family out here supporting me, which I really appreciate, and it should be a good day. Weather is good, it's pretty cool right now. It's supposed to warm up pretty nice. It's pretty perfect actually compared to last year. It was like raining cats and dogs last year, not too pretty of a race day. This morning, super excited, legs feel great, feeling really good this morning about today. It should be a good one, always a fun race. This is an event that a lot of New Yorkers look forward to running, myself included. So I'm gonna go ahead and warm up a bit. I never have a chance to warm up before these races. I got here early enough to do so, so probably do about a mile and a half warm up, and then stretch it out, and hopefully use the bathroom 1 or 2 times and head to the start line. So let's do that. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Put my problems paper, dial up the deputy, mad at my brown problems in the paper, put my problems paper, dial up the deputy, mad at my brown problems in the paper, put my problems paper, dial up the deputy, mad at my brown.
All right, just finished up the Brooklyn Half here. Didn't hit the time that I wanted to hit, but it was a fun race anyway. I did hour 19 minutes 5 seconds, 5:58 per mile pace. We're here at the after party, which is like a whole bunch of people, like thousands and thousands of people, and The family's here, everybody's here, but the legs just weren't there today. We had my hamstrings were just.
Get your merch. Get your merch.
My hamstrings were just like super tight for whatever reason. And yeah, it just didn't feel too good out there, but still ran my fastest half marathon, which I'm not mad about at all. So looking forward to the next run, whatever that is. Yeah. Okay, so happy these guys came out, man. I can't tell you how much I appreciate the family and friends support. Like it really gives me motivation, not only to train, but to do really well during these races. All right, that's a wrap here. Hope you guys enjoyed my version of the Brooklyn Half Marathon 2019. I know I had a good time. And don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.